Welcome to Sheet Director. We're excited to introduce our innovative Google Workspace add-on. Simplify data exchange between apps with Sheet Director, query data, post info from Sheets to apps, and keep everything in sync. In this video, we will see how Sheet Director can help you to automate the integration between Google Sheets and Google Tasks. Let's launch Sheet Director and choose Google Tasks from the available list of applications. I will name the service Tasks Query Service. I'll then choose the service named Get Tasks, which gets the tasks from Google Tasks. I'll choose a specific task list from the list, and then select the required fields from the fields list. Additionally, I'll also set the max results to 100, limiting the tasks to 100. For the destination settings, I'll select Query Tasks Sheet tab to present all the values from Google Tasks. By default, it begins from cell A1. Also, we have the option to create a new sheet by clicking on the plus icon, and turn on or off the Include Header and Clear Sheet before getting the tasks. I will proceed to execute by clicking on the Execute button. Upon successful execution, we can see that the chosen fields from the list are effectively brought from the Google Tasks and seamlessly presented within the selected sheet. Now, let's look at how to create Google Tasks from Google Sheets. Now, let's make another service and name as Tasks Post Service for creating the tasks from the sheet. I will choose Post Tasks as service type. Then I will select a specific tasks list from the list. At this point, I have the choice to use an existing template or set up the process manually. For now, I'll opt for the template. Applying the template will automatically populate sample data to the spreadsheet, and it will establish automatic mapping using the template. This mapping guides us on where to place the resulting information in the status and result columns. In the sheet, you'll notice columns labeled Status and Result. These fields will provide you with the status of the posted records. If these fields are not there, these can be easily created by clicking on the plus button or choosing from the drop-down. The mapping aligns the fields between the Google Sheets and the tasks. We can manually map by using the column drop-down. To create a new mapping, you can simply click on the plus icon. Deleting a field mapping is as easy as clicking the delete icon above each mapped field, except for mandatory fields. Feel free to use this sample template data and make any necessary updates. Now, I will proceed to execute by clicking on the Execute button. Initially, the status in the status column will indicate Ready to Post. Upon execution, the Execution Control panel will appear and tell us how many records are ready to post in the Google Tasks. At this point, we have two options: Post Now and Close. I will click on Post Now, which will create the tasks. After successful execution, each record will be updated individually in the status and result columns. Also, we can view all posted records in Google Tasks. With Sheet Director, you effortlessly harness the magic of Google Tasks. Seamlessly query, display, and transform your Google Tasks data right within Google Sheets. Experience the future of organization and data synergy with the Sheet Director. Thanks for watching the video.